What's up guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to talk about the join function. So I'm quickly going to make a new Python file and I'll name it as join underscore function. So I'm going to write join underscore function, and after that, as you can see that my Python file is opened here. So what I'm going to do is that first of all I'm going to make a list. So I'll write list, and after that I'm going to make a colon right here. So after that I'll write some names. So I'll write Ansh, and after that I'll write Hriday, then after that I'll write Sid, then Suman, and after that I'll write one more name. I'll write Lewis. So as you can see guys that I've written some names in this list. I've written Ansh, Hriday, Sid, Suman and Lewis, and after that what I'm going to do is that I'm going to print all these, and I'll put an and after every item. So I'll write for I'll have to run a for loop, right? So I'll write for item in list, and after that I'm going to print list item comma and when I print this, as you can see, it will give me the thing that I expected, that is Ansh and Hriday and Sid and Suman and Lewis, and but I want the output in a single line. That is, I don't want it to take a new line character as a default. So what I can do is that I can write end is equal to space, and after that if I run it, as you can see, it will give us our desired output, that is Ansh and Hriday and Sid and Suman and Lewis, and after that I'll print another statement. I'll write print are some of the good boys, and if I run this program right here, as you can see, it has printed Ansh and Hriday and Sid and Suman and Lewis and are some of the good boys. So this is one way in which we can print an item of a list and something after it. That is, as you can see, I have printed the item, and after that I have put a comma, and I have put the and right here. So this is one way, and if I comment this out and if I write join I'll write a is equal to, and after that whatever thing I want to add in the end of my item, I'll write and after that I'll write and dot join, and then I'll provide it the list. And if I run this program right here, as you can see, it has given me are some of the good boys because I haven't printed a right here. So I'll write a comma are some of the good boys, and after that, as you can see, it has printed Ansh and Hriday and Sid and Suman and Lewis. So I'll have to provide a space before and after the and if I run this program again, as you can see, it has printed Ansh and Hriday. It has basically provided us the output that we wanted. So guys, how is this join function used? Basically, whatever thing that you want to append to the item while printing, you need to use the join function, because if you do it like this, it is not wrong, but it is not a feasible way. Whereas if you can use the join function, that why not use it? Because the join function basically also appends it to the item that you are printing, and you can provide anything in it. For example, you can also provide a dictionary if you want to join it, and you can provide any iterable object. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you learned about the join function. If you guys haven't accessed my Python for Absolute Beginners playlist, the link is in the description. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope you're safe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.